The Class 10 board exam of CBSE has been cancelled, whereas the Class 12 board exam has been postponed. The results of the Class 10 board will be prepared on the basis of objective criteria developed by the CBSE. Class 12 students will be given a fresh date sheet before the beginning of the papers. The announcement came after Prime Minister Narendra Modi met the Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal and other senior education officials to discuss the CBSE board exams that were set to start from May 4. Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal tweeted after the meeting informing about the decision taken. Moving on to the next news, on Wednesday, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath said that he has tested positive for the novel coronavirus and has gone into self-isolation. The Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister has appealed to all those who have come in contact with him to get themselves tested and take precaution. After observing initial symptoms, I got tested for COVID-19 and my report has come positive. I am in self-isolation and fully following the consultation of physicians. I am performing all my tasks virtually, Adityanath said in his tweet. All activities of the state government are being conducted normally. Meanwhile, all those who have come in contact with me must get themselves tested and follow the precautions, the Chief Minister said in his tweet. Moving on to the next news, the Congress on Wednesday launched its own digital media platform INC TV on YouTube on the birth anniversary of Dr. Ambedkar. The party has over the years alleged that the mainstream media is biased against the opposition and the YouTube channel will now allow it to convey its message directly to the public. At the launch event at Congress headquarters, party spokesperson Randeep Surjewala said that INC TV will start airing shows from April 24th, which marks the National Panchayati Raj Day and would be live for at least 8 hours every day. Moving on to the next news, the Mega Kumbh Mela at Haridwar is likely to close today, 2 weeks early after discussions between the Uttarakhand government and religious leaders, sources have said. Hundreds of thousands have been gathering at the annual event on the banks of the river Ganga for a holy dip, escalating concerns about an exponential rise in COVID cases amid a countrywide spike in infections. Moving on to the next news, top Congress leader Rahul Gandhi today took a sharp dig at the government after it decided to fast-track emergency approval for COVID vaccines used in Western nations and Japan. Mr. Gandhi, who had earlier urged the government to fast-track more vaccines, was sharply criticized by the ruling BJP for his demand. First they ignore you, then they laugh at you, then they fight you, then you win, Mr. Gandhi tweeted today.
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.